What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Every E Squad. Now, guys, if you're tuning in today, it's another beautiful day here in America. Now, it's your boy Marcin and that's Elston, and so welcome back. Now, before we get into the video today, I'd like to say that if you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to check out this link somewhere up here, or maybe up here, or maybe somewhere over here. Anyway, I'd like to apologize because obviously I'm usually the cameraman, but because I don't have a cameraman, so I'm just doing this as an introduction. But of course, Marcin is behind the camera, so obviously after this is done, he's gonna have to be in the video. So don't worry, he'll be in the video. Your boy Marcin is gonna be in the video. I'll be out, I'll be behind the camera. Anyway, so today's exercise is we're obviously, you can tell by the thumbnail that we are cutting our hair. So normally that's my job, it's my responsibility to do that, to cut their hairs, but because we want to entertain you guys, we like to do a little bit of a different exercise. So in doing so, Marcin or Elston is going to have to cut this guy's hair, Marcin's hair, and Marcin is going to have to cut Marcin's hair. And so we'll see, and don't forget to stay tuned. We'll see how it goes. Alright guys, so we are starting the exercise, and so my first stop will be Marcin. He's gonna have to cut Mr. Marcin's hair, so let's go ahead and get started. Each one of them, they're gonna have to show their own creativity and their own technique and their own style, and we'll see how the end result will be. Alright, so go ahead, boy. Oh, dude! Okay, that's good, that's good. Alright. Okay.
Don't make it too short.
Okay, okay. Okay. Oh wow, this guy is pretty good.
Hey, you did that.
Ooh. Yeah.
This is good. Wow, stop cutting on that side.
Awesome.
We should go.
Don't make it short.
Are you cold?
I'm scared.
Cold?
Scared.
Hot?
No, he's doing okay.
Yeah, he's doing okay.
Wow, looking good, looking good. Ooh. Wow. This guy's actually pretty good.
Mom, go slowly. Is it good?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Don't lie.
I'm not lying. It's actually good. No, stop doing that side.
Smile. Ow!
Oh, right here, right
You made
here.
a ball spot?
Yeah. Yup, he did.
You have pro face, you know? Ow!
We're done here.
Hey, whoa!
No, it's good, it's good, it's good.
Not
Wait,
ball.
that's too high.
No, that's good, that's good.
Yeah, that's too good.
Okay.
It's not bald, Mars.
It's just cold.
Wait, Elston, you have to wait for your turn.
Oh, the hairline.
Dude, stop.
The hairline. Hey, go this side. Go this.
Oh, wow.
Miles.
Look at this guy. He's really serious on this job.
No, because he wanted to be good.
Okay, okay.
Make it good. Make it fresh.
And he's my brother.
Okay, okay.
Fresh.
Mouse, you keep going there. Because I'm trying to make it flat. Make it a flat.
Hey, we'll work on the other side.
Okay.
No!
This side.
Mouse,
There's
no.
there's
Yeah.
There's a green next.
You're just gonna have to trust him. Yep. You see?
Oh.
He's really serious about this. So you're just gonna have to trust
wait,
this
right
guy.
Hey, hey. Oh, that's so high.
Look at this.
How's he doing?
Good.
It's not bad? Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Ooh, cool.
All right, this guy's really okay. Oh wow! Wow, this guy's really good. Wow.
Oh man.
It's okay. It's okay. It's good. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
What's going
Look
on?
at that.
Hey, what's going on?
No, move it. No, move it.
No, because I don't know what's going on.
Okay.
I gotta stop you.
Hey,
I have to blow that.
is it good?
Yeah.
Oh man, look at that. Come on, let me see.
How do you blow this?
Oh wow.
Hey guys.
Looking sharp there. Oh boy.
Mouse.
Okay.
Can we do this one?
Not too high. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, on the other side. Oh man.
Oh, dude. Ooh, what's...
Mouse, be quiet.
Huh?
Hey, that's too high.
That's too high.
That's too high. Hey, hey,
Right here. Right here?
hey.
Dad, right here.
Uh-huh.
Lower.
Right here? Lower.
Lower.
Okay, it's gonna be,
Okay.
there.
All right.
It's super short. Okay, hot.
So what do you think, Marcin? You think it's ready?
Yeah.
Huh?
Oh, it's actually...
Okay. That's good. All right. So that's the best thing. That's the best you can do. Huh?
I want to cut the top.
No.
Here's the top. It's perfect at the top. Hey,
Okay, that's enough. That's
here.
enough. That's enough.
All right.
That's enough. Hey.
No, it's...
Good job. All right.
Austin, don't lie.
Oh, no.
Okay.
What happened?
It's
Hey,
good. It's good.
stop.
All right. Well, there you go, guys.
Oh!
It's bad?
Yes!
Hey!
He cut right over there.
No, it's okay.
It's bald?
No, it's okay. It's
Just
okay.
a little bit here.
No.
Hey, at least
All right, guys. So you want to tell everybody what do you think about your design or your style?
Horrible.
Come on.
Huh? Oh, it's nice.
You have to talk to the camera.
And look at this. I make the straight line up right there.
Uh-huh.
Straight line up.
Okay.
And the straight line. And look at the. I wanted to do the top like no blocks for.
Uh-huh.
My dad said no.
Okay.
And look at the side over here. This guy doesn't believe in me.
I don't.
All right.
It's cold.
Well, good job, Marcin. Obviously, you didn't finish the whole thing, but
I wanna try.
it looks good to me. So there you go, guys. That's Marcin's new haircut experience, and I think this guy is really gonna do good in the future. So
I didn't do better.
yeah. Thank you, Marcin. Okay, now it is Elston's turn. So Elston is gonna have to cut Marcin's hair. So let's see how he does. Okay, you ready, Elston?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. You have to do the line, okay? Wow. You're doing great, Elston. Over here. Serious about this job. Are you serious about what you're doing, Elston? Nice. Let's see what this guy is looking like. Oh, you're looking good, boy. All right, all right. So guys, if you ever need somebody to cut your hair, if you need a haircut, these guys are pretty good. Oh, wow. Good job, Elston. Woo. Wow. Look at me, Marcin. Oh, you're looking good, boy. You are looking good. Thanks to Mr. Elston.
Daddy, can you do this because I'm tired?
You're tired? Are you tired?
Yeah.
So you want me to do it for you? Alright guys, well, there you go. That's pretty much what he did. It's looking good, I guess. Looking good. Looks good. So once again guys, if you need somebody to cut your hair, Elston and Marcin are ready to do that for you, okay? Alright, we'll see you in a little bit. Alright, so guys, this time it's Elston's turn. Marcin is doing that, so let's go ahead and see how he does it too. So, alright, it's all yours, Mars. Oh, Mars is for... Good. You doing?
Nothing.
Not that bad, Mars. Good job, Mars.
Can I do the top?
No!
All right, good, cool.
Dude, please, I'm doing so good.
No, don't do the top.
All right, guys. Well, this is the end of the video right here. This is pretty much the result of what they did as far as cutting the hair. And let's start off with Elston. So this is, stay still for a little bit so I can show them your haircut. All right, so that's Elston. Okay.
Mars cut it.
Good job. And Marcin was the one who cut his hair. And this is Marcin. Ooh, top shape, top shape.
Ooh.
All right, cool. That's Marcin.
Elston's cut.
And oh, who cut your hair again?
Marcin.
Marcin. Oh,
Elston cut Marcin.
Elston cut his hair. This guy, Marcin, cut his hair. And Marcin, who cut your hair? Marcin did.
Marcin.
Alright, so obviously, alright, listen up, guys. So obviously they, like we mentioned earlier at the beginning of the video, is we wanted to make sure that they all each individually, you know, come up with their own technique and their own creativity and, you know, their own talent on, you know, trying out how to do a haircut. And they did start out pretty good. Obviously, they didn't finish the whole haircut. I did the finishing touch, and so this is what we have right now. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. This is what we got for as far as the end result of the haircut, and we wanted to make sure that we once again thank you so much everybody for tuning in today. And don't forget to like and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. And also make sure that you tell your friends and family and whoever you know to make sure to support the gang. And yeah, hopefully that we'll see you folks again on the next video. Peace.